Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very simple recipe for you which is using the leftover rice from my refrigerator, and in this I have incorporated all the different vegetables too. So without any further ado, let me show you how this quick and easy pineapple mushroom rice could be made. Here I'm taking some oil in a frying pan. To this I'm adding chopped garlic. Once the garlic turns brown, add half chopped onion and let it saute for some time. To this I'm adding 4 to 5 chopped mushrooms and I will lightly saute this too. After cooking the mushroom for 2 to 3 minutes, add other vegetable. Now I will be adding some chopped carrot, bell pepper, corn and pineapple. So here goes chopped orange bell pepper. And then I will lightly saute this too. Now add half chopped carrot. Then I'm adding 1 cup of sweet corn here, 1 cup of diced pineapple, and then I will lightly mix this. So this rice is actually a little sweet and sour in taste, and it is very refreshing. And you might have also tried fried rice, but if you try this with pineapple, you will feel the difference in flavor. And it is little sweet and sour, which is the key to this recipe. Now I'm adding some oregano seasoning here, and I will give it a mix. Then goes approximately 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and some little tomato ketchup here. And then mix all of this nicely. If you want, then you can also add some hot sauce here if you prefer a little bit of heat in your rice. And then I'm going to add the cooked or leftover rice that I have from my refrigerator. Here I'm adding just a little bit of red chili powder, some coriander powder, and salt as per taste. Mix this well. And then add your cooked rice here. Gently mix all of this, and then we are just going to add one last ingredient, which is vinegar. And vinegar is optional, but if you would like to make it a little tangy, then I would say just add 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of vinegar here in the rice, and then your rice would be ready. So here I'm just adding that last 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and I will gently mix this. And then our fried rice would be ready to be plated. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and let me know in the comment section below how you like this pineapple corn mushroom fried rice. And you can literally use any kind of vegetables that you have in your refrigerator. So I hope you will give this a try, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you have not already subscribed, because I post similar recipes and recipes that can be put together in less time. So until next time, bye bye and take care.